USMW-HD Water Pump number US319-2. This USMW Heavy-Duty Water Pump fits 2010 to 2020 vehicles equipped with Cummins ISX 15 series diesel engines and is a direct replacement for Cummins part numbers 54060, 483-688, 384-369-1304, 630-5090, and 369-1304RX. USMW-HD water pumps are designed and manufactured to meet or exceed all OEM specifications. USMW heavy-duty water pumps are 100% new, not remanufactured. They are assembled in the USA using high-quality components and are 100% leak-tested prior to shipping. This pump features a precision CNC-machined cast iron housing, case-hardened bearings, premium seals, a cast iron machined impeller, and comes complete with all necessary gaskets to do the job right. These premium components combine to provide optimum cooling and pump longevity. US Motor Works, industry-leading quality, 100% OEM performance.